John Life here, owner of Vanlife Trader, a marketplace for buying and selling camper vans.
There she is.
We're here at Firestone today to learn how they can help vanlifers like us stay on the road.
Coming in.
Hey, just found out Firestone does camper vans. Came in to get a service. Let's see what they can do.
Hello, John.
How are you, Mindy?
Oh, just living this dream, man. Let's go out and take a peek at it.
You ever seen anything like this?
No, that thing is huge. Is it like a home in there?
It's a home. Can it fit in your shop?
Oh, yeah, we'll get it taken care of for you.
I can't believe that fit.
Okay.
There you go. I'm micing him up.
My mic fell off.
Norm's got important stuff to say, and we need to hear it.
Yeah.
What's Firestone's policy on sleeping in your parking lots? Do customers ever get to specify the oil they want?
Viscosity-wise, we go by what the book says,
Uh-huh.
but they can specify whatever they want as far as brand, your washer fluid, all that good stuff.
I want to be breathing that.
I'll go
Is this
through.
my digital inspection?
This is your digital
It's like my
inspection.
report card. Can I change my scores?
Because you got actually a very good score on these.
Heck yeah.
Hey, you're all done.
No, you're the best. There we go. Bring your own back. Looking good. Firestone is all over the country. That's great for van life. I lived in a van. I broke down. I needed a Firestone. I didn't know they would work on my van. I'm a changed man. Whoa. Yeah, we got fresh wiper fluid in here.